Today on Mechanics Minute, we have Roger Tanis from AC Delco assembling a wiper rack. We apologize, this might be longer than 1 minute.
Ignore the camera. What's that? Good actor, always ignores the camera. Fly on set! What's that? You have a double shirt on your coat? Good idea. Good idea. Look at hashtag AC Delco in our video premiere. I want AC Delco with full credit. Uh-oh. We got to edit this. Well, that was some to do.
This camera hard work. It's not easy. Face is ready.
Warm in here.
Oh,
how much number you got in that thing?
Enough.
Hey, boy.
you don't even have, your shirt's plain too.
Oh
my God. You're gonna have something. Is that pretty good? Or maybe more like...
No, I think it's good.
yeah, make it a little better.
I got more.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Is that the director's chair?
Try and put some more feel into it.
I just wish I saw a picture of this before I started.
It's a wiper.
Now it's the director's chair.
We're missing something here. Wipers? Nuts and bolts. Yeah, wipers. We're missing nuts and bolts, actually.
Meanwhile, we're still waiting for the wiper rack to be finished. Sorry, I'll take the coat up. You won't need the spring when you're finished. Hello?
You got a problem here.
Maybe it's a snap together.
It's not a snap together.
Well, it's not hold together because there is.
Now you're just making a mess.
You just set the box.
I think you got this. I think you got destroyed at our shop.
Oh, so you brought it over here.
You bet I did.
It's cheaper.
It's not cheaper. So let's see. Here's the wiper rack. What's that?
What?
Alright, yeah.
It can be right.
It can be right. Or
They didn't get the box at all. So he brings it to us knowing that there's parts hanging out of the box.
I have a feeling if anything makes it this one won't it?
Exactly.
No, we don't have that.
Oh, we need to stop.
It's snowing in the Midwest.
We don't have winter blades in stock. Maybe next year.
These are discontinued models.